So you bought this long. Is this above V-WAP?
No.
Do you see the Elliott down here?
Mm-hmm.
You see how nothing is like, yeah, this looks great. See your super trend? You see how nothing is saying ever, not still, don't buy this thing? There's nothing about this at all. Okay, so here's what happened. So what we thought is, okay, boom, it came down here. You saw it start climbing. You're like, this is a good opportunity. This was the bottom. That's what we were thinking off of this move, right?
Mm-hmm.
We can never guess bottom, so we have to start looking at everything else. Okay. Now, the good thing with this one, I mean, obviously, if you would have been thinking about this side of it, the good thing is you can use VWAP as your absolute end all be all. If it doesn't break this and it's near it, now if VWAP's out here in space, you can't use it. There's just nothing to use. But because it's here, the only thing you're looking for is this has to break VWAP to the upside, and then a stop is below it. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Because otherwise, if it can't break VWAP ever, it never will. And VWAP's just going to continue to go down and down and down while this goes down and down, because that's the average. Okay.